You are caring for an 86-year-old man with end-stage Parkinson's disease. When you walk into the room in the middle of the night, the patient's wife asks you about the options for medical assistance in dying. The next actions are up to you, so what will you choose to do? Do you play God in providing means for the death of another human? Over the past few weeks, my opponent and I have been bringing forward information and debating whether all publicly funded palliative care or hospice settings should be required to provide MAID. My opponent, Carrie Lynn, has made some strong points as to why all publicly funded palliative care or hospice settings should be required to provide MAID. For example, constitutional protected legal rights to MAID, the right to receive health care services without discrimination, right to equitable access to medically necessary health care services funded by the government, and the right to care that respects the dignity of patients, especially at the end of their life. In accordance with the Human Declaration of Rights and Freedoms, healthcare providers are entitled to conscientious objection, allowing them to deny participation of any kind in something deemed against their religious or conscious rights. Providing measures of any kind towards death by suicide is an illogical solution to provide relief for suffering. The human life is immeasurable in worth, dignity, and reason for living. In areas of Canada today, healthcare providers are being forced by legislation to provide information to those considering MAID, whether they agree with it or not. While some may say it is discrimination to deny providing information or referral to patients reaching out to end their life, I say any involvement in the delivery of MAID can fall against alignment with another person's views, beliefs, and autonomy to practice their profession with honorability and trust. I challenge everyone viewing this today to imagine how they will respond when someone reaches out to ask them to assist with their death.